we going to? Can you hear me? What round are we going to? What round are we going to? Yeah, it's trying to get me again. Look. Good morning, folks. That's right. First points race of the season. And it's dark out here. I think Pop's already up here. Shop lights on. It is chilly this morning. It should be a good day of racing. Let's go in here and see what he has to say. Hey.
Hey, what?
Good morning. Still dark outside. He still thinks it's bedtime.
You got that right.
Oh well, let's get this thing hooked up down the road. It's gonna be chilly up there. So I think the high today up there is only 57. So anyway, let's get started. Okay. Daylight or the sun is coming. Let me check the straps on this before we head down the road. Oh, it's locked. You have the keys? Okay, let's do this again. Time to check the straps. Make sure they're good and tight. Nah, they're not. They're loose. See that already. That. Better now. Whew. There's a moon up there. Okay, see the Mokan car. See where the golf cart's at. Oh my God. Wake up the neighborhood.
No, you fire that up. What's up there?
Yeah, that's true. Okay, let's get this thing loaded. Okay, we're in the trailer. Set the brake and down the track. Go down the road it goes. Ouch, car. Okay, we got everything loaded. Pop's be out here about 10 minutes or so. But anyway, yeah, it's first points race of the season. The first race, it actually got rained out. I don't know if you've seen my other video, but if you haven't, the video basically said I was going up there, but that got delayed about 2 weeks. So if you haven't seen it, go ahead and click up there. But yeah, no, this is the first points race of the season, like I said earlier. But now we're going to go up there and do our best. We're very green, I guess you could say, at the start of the season. Haven't had made that many traps, passes down the track, except for our test and tune pass out here at Tulsa. So, but hopefully it's just like riding a bike. You get on it, you just sit in the car and you just go. So hopefully that's all I need to do. Hopefully the car will be doing very good today. We did make a change to it, and I will show you the change later on in the video, what we actually did to it. We actually made it go a little bit quicker. So anyway, with that, let's go ahead and get on down the road and make our famous, you know what place that is, stop for breakfast. So anyway, when we get there, I'll show you. Hey, front row seat, or parking.
Yep.
See that parking at Sonic for big trailers? Yep, we made it, Sonic. It's only 41 degrees outside, but we made it. Oh my gosh. Yep. We did it again. Starting the season off right. Grabbing some Sonic for breakfast.
Breakfast of champions.
Breakfast of champions it is. Okay. You know what that means? That's right. Getting closer to Mokan. So anyway, let's get this bag opened up, get the burritos out, get some food in this. So anyway, next shot you're gonna see is us up in Mokan. And just like that, we're here up in Mokan. First points race of the 22 season. Quite a few people in here. They had some type of benefit race up here yesterday, so yeah, quite a few people stayed over. So let's get in here, pay the lady at the ticket shack, get parked, and get ready for today. It is a cold, cold day out here. Now this is what I did to over the test session. I added a 2-inch spacer. We had a 1-inch here, so that's what made it go quicker. So got a good shot of it. Anyway, gonna go around and get the car all warmed up here. Got some heat in it now, but it's like 41 out here. Winds from the east. So to get some fuel in this, go warm it up, come back and get some more fuel. Off to get some gas. Okay guys, get ready to go up for the first round of No E and Super Pro. The car is running pretty good. Past couple passes at 55 and at 56. Lights are decent, they're in the 20s. I think I had a 60 in there, but anyway, or 50. Anyway, so we're gonna go up there, so we can get our first win of the season. So anyway, let's get after it. Hope we get both wins in Super Pro and No E, round number 1. And we'll take this thing all the way to the winner's circle. Hoping. So anyway, with that, let's get loaded up, get out there. Okay. Let's see what comes on. Well, that Super Pro pass sucked. I decided to go leave it in high gear when I left. So it didn't run its number. I knew it was all over. So guess what I'm going? That's right. Do the buyback. For No E, decided to turn the red light on. So we're gonna try not to red light this next time, get a win. So with that, let's go ahead and get up here for round number 2 for both passes. Okay, this is round 2 of No E. I have a 657 on it, so we'll see how we do. So here we go. 657. Just cut a good light and go from there. Fortunately, I'm foot braking today. Don't have my box set up. So that's what it goes. We had some rewire. When I rewired the car, I didn't quite get the two-step wired in correctly. So anyway, got some figuring out to do that before the next race. So with that, let's go ahead and get ready for round 2 Super Pro. Okay, we got round 2 in the books. We're going round 3. Guess what? Both classes. So time to get a little bit of gas in this sucker and get on down the track for round 3 for both classes. Here we go. Reset the battery again. Anyway, getting ready to go round 3 in Super Pro. Like I said in that round 3 for no E. Man, it's a 58 light, car slowed to a 61, had a 57 on it. The 60 foots fell off almost 3. So yeah, that was some of it. Some of the 60 foot might have been my reaction, but man, when the guy throws a 10 light at you and you have a 58, you're a setting duck. So anyway, see if I can redeem myself in round 3 of Super Pro. I did change my dial, went up to a 59. It is getting warmer out here, so track might be getting a little bit more heat in it. Tires starting to spin a little bit, so I don't know. I mean, I put a 59 on it thinking might just hook and it'll pick up again, but won't know. So this is a crapshoot. So let's go and see what it does and hopefully get the win light in Super Pro and go on to round 4. So here we go. Yes. Guess what round we're going to? Can you hear me? What round are we going to? What round are we going to? Fourth. Fourth. Super Pro's not going to cut it. I deserve to go home. around. I can't complain. I had to wait and see buy. I was hoping maybe we got a buy, but it wasn't meant to be. So let's get this thing loaded up and get out of here. Yay! Okay, I think I already kind of did a, let's do a recap. Lost in the 4th round of Super Pro. No E, lost in the 3rd round. Like I said in that one video, or clip, I just had a sucky light. It was about all the sucky lights. Anyway, it is what it is. Got a little bit of money. So other than that, not a bad day. First time out racing in a while. So anyway, with that, let's go ahead and get on home and go from there. So let's get on home. Yep. See, we have to contend with driving home. We're heading west. Waiting on this light to change on this road. But this is right in our eyes. Yeah. Yep, old man's tired. Yeah, we made it.
I'm just gonna leave them there.
Okay, that sounds good. Anyway, that's it for this video. Wish it was a better outcome, but we still had a good time. So, hope you can see my face. If you do like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any comments, leave that at the bottom. So anyway, he's going to bed.
Night.
Night. See you next time.